What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nico here, and welcome to What's Cracking. And today we have ourselves another pre-release pack of Midnight Hunt. And you know what? Maybe this is the one that's gonna have the meaty hook.
Maybe there'll be a meat hook in this one. Maybe. We'll find out. Alright. So, what is our pre-release promo this time? Oh, 14. Seems familiar. Alright, well. Oh, what? No way! Wow!
I've got no words.
We get the pre-release promo Meat Hook Massacre. This is the best possible hit. Wow! Oh, we're opening this bad boy up. Woo, baby! I can't believe it. Oh my god. Wow. We got one of these. I wanted another one, and a foil pre-release promo stamped. Oh man. Look at what's going on. This is on theme. This is spooky season right here. Hand on a hook. He's just cleaving away. The Meat Hook Massacre. Such a rad card, one of my favorite cards. It's so good. Got banned recently in Standard. I'm still sad, but I mean it's so good, so I'm not surprised. And this is going right in a deck. I'm actually gonna sleeve that before we continue.
Don't forget, like the video and sub to my channel, or I'm gonna be real sad.
Wow. So rad. It's gold. Alright. Pre-release code. He wants it. Pre-release pack. If you've already redeemed one, it won't let you though, so don't even bother. But if you haven't redeemed an Innistrad Midnight Hunt one, there you go. Alright. So yeah, we got 6 packs. I mean, they don't really matter as much because we got what we came for. We're gonna show it again. Oh, so nice. Okay, put it back. It'll stay right up there. Wow. Oh, I've been cracking packs for so long trying to get one of those, and woo, very nice. All right, Otherworldly Gaze. I've casted that recently. We got the Shadow Beast sighting. Search Party Captain. We've got a Brimstone Vandal. Shady Traveler. He's a stalking predator. Nope, don't like that. A Dreadhound. Dawn Heart Mentor. We've got a Mysterious Tome. Well, first we'll see what it's a rare behind. We got a Chilling Chronicle it flips into, and our rare is Grafted Identity. Meh. Alright, well, that pack wasn't great, but hey, meat hook. Alright, let's go pack 2. Snarling Wolf. Flare of Faith. Ooh, the Candle Guide. That's rad. Another Otherworldly Gaze. Ooh, someone's being eaten alive. Yikes. Necrosynthesis. Got the Grizzly Ghoul. Bunch of arrows in them and everything. Poor guy. We got the Vengeful Strangler, which flips into a Strangling Grasp. And we got a Bloodline Calling, Mountain. Oh, Startle. That startled me. And a nice little token. All right. What we got next? Blood Pact. I like it. Oh, let's try and go for it. Go, Wolf, go. Another search party captain. Oh no, you've been locked in the cemetery. That's vibes right there. A dual craft trainer. Cathartic Pyre. Oh, Beloved Beggar. Oh, a Celestis. Okay. That's pretty sweet. That's a good card. Very nice. We'll go with the meathook with that one. Alright, 3 packs to go. Still feel frazzled from that meathook. Changed the whole dynamic. Almost through the commons. A Vivisection, Sunrise Cavalier, Spellrune Painter, which flips into a Spellrune Howler. It's pretty cool. We got under Mythic. Ooh, an Intrepid Adversary. Pretty good standard card. Does some things. Pumps your board. Has lifelink. Not terrible. That can go here. We got a mountain. Ooh, a foil rare. And it's a cool one too. It's the Spirit Lord. Do they have spirit fingers? I mean, technically, they have spirit fingers. If you look at it, right? Let's see if I can find it right like there. Spirit fingers. That's gonna go in the good pile too. Wow. Well, this is shaping up. Jeez, I mean, there's no shaping up. There's a meathook. We've already won. We've already won on this one. All right, we got. He's the Lada Zombie. Oh, this pile's getting out of control. Oh man, I shouldn't have done this. This was a mistake, but we're good. We're good. Tidy pile now. Okay, we're good. Diregraph Horde. I like me a Zom. Good old Zom. Path to the Festival. Thraben Exorcism. Geist Wave. Arrogant Outlaw. We got the Gavany Silversmith. Wait, I don't even know why I'm doing the comments. What am I doing? I guess sometimes I got a little bit of spunk in it, right? Turn the Earth. Defend the Celestis. Another Vengeful Strangler. And a Florian Valdarin Scion. This is a really good card. I like this card. And it's in the treatment. I like that. Ooh. It barely looks like a Vampire Noble. It almost looks like a demon. Jeez. Or like a devil. I like him. Looks rad. And a Plains. That'll go there. And it's token time. Alright, last pack. Let's see. Let's see how better this can get. Alright. Return to Nature. Abandoned Post. We got a startle. Olivia's Midnight Ambush. Howl of the Hunt. Celestis Sanctifier. Unruly Mob. We've got the Brimstone Vandal. An Organ Hoarder. We got the Bait Hook Angler, who flips into the Hook Haunt Drifter. We've got a Morbid Opportunist. A Flesh Taker. We got Lunar Frenzy. Ooh, that's cool. What we got on here? It's another rare. It's a Curse of Leeches, which flips into the Leeching Lurker. Oh, big worm boy. I don't like it. Kind of creepy. Is it creepy?
Nope. Don't like that.
A little bit. Not as creepy as last time, but dang. Mountain, and it's an elemental, and a nice little marker card. So yeah, this is pretty good. I mean, we got Florian, who is really cool. We got Spirit Fingers over here. We got this nice little Intrepid Adversary. We got a Celestis. And we got the hit of the set, Meathook Massacre in pre-release promo. Wow. That's what best case scenario looks right there.
Well, I think that may have been the best case scenario. We got the meaty hook. You know, I guess I don't really have to buy Midnight Hunt anymore unless, I don't know, maybe I want like 5 more meaty hooks. Wouldn't that be the dream, eh? Before we go, I just want to give one last shout out to my sponsor, Red Dragon Cards, Comics, and Games. Just hit up their website, Red-dragon.ca, and you're going to find all the singles you need, plus a bunch of sealed product. And hey, they have more than just Magic the Gathering. Maybe there's other stuff you want. So just add it to your cart. Don't forget to add the code NEEKOBOLAS. Get yourself a sweet little deal. And hey, I'm sure you're going to find exactly what you need. Later, y'all. Don't forget, guys, Scoop and Response on Monday. Gonna be an extra spooky edition for Halloween. I'm gonna give away some promos. I got some nice little spicy cards I'm gonna add in. So definitely tune in, and you might just win something. See you then.